is Sylvain, Senior Tech and Trainer over at Confection Avocat. Today, we'll see how to maintain properly your machine, and we're going to talk about the Krea Touch machine. Tools required: pair of scissors, paintbrush, circular brushes, the door key, towels, and products to refill your machine. Now it's time to refill your machine with products. First, fill the bean hopper. You can then refill all soluble canisters by pulling them out of the machine and refilling them on the countertop to prevent any spill inside the machine. Repeat these steps for each canister. Pull the canister's elbow up and remove the canister from the machine. Remove the waste bin and the drip tray. On a daily basis, make sure to remove the waste bin, dump the content into a trash can. Clean the dirt train grill under hot water. You can use a soft soap and brush off any residues. Once the cleaning has been done, let the parts air dry. Cleaning the inside of the machine, you can use a paintbrush to remove the excess of beans, Soluble product inside, and make sure that you wipe off any dust or products on the inside of the machine, going from top to bottom. Once the parts are dry, put the drip train grill back together. Reinstall the waste bin and the drip train inside the unit and close the door. Once all the filling and cleaning of the inside of the machine has been done, tidy up the area surrounding the machine. To reset the waste bin count, once you've done the proper maintenance, when you close the door, you can confirm that you've reset the waste bin. If you forgot to answer yes to the question, you can do it manually. Go to the geared icon, menu, daily action, empty solid waste, and reset the waste bin count. Get out of the service mode, and you're done. Once you've cleaned and refilled the canisters, the next step is to rinse the machine. To do so, hit on the geared wheel, go to the menu, daily actions, cleaning and rinsing. Make sure that you've got a jug big enough to complete the rinse, and hit complete rinsing. Once the rinse has been done, dump the content of the cup. Do not drink what's inside. You are now done with the daily cleaning actions to perform on your machine. Here are the cleaning procedures to perform on a weekly basis. Remove the waste bin and the drip tray. Empty the waste bin into a trash can and wash it using hot water, and if need be, you can use a soft soap. Use a soft brush to clean up any residues inside. Let the waste bin air dry. Pull the canister's elbow up and remove the canister from the machine. Now you can remove the elbows of the canisters, one at a time. And you need to wash them under hot water. After the cleaning has been done, let the parts air dry before putting the elbows back on the soluble canisters. Fill it with the appropriate product. Reinstall the canister back in place and make sure it is seated properly, then push the elbows down. Once the waste bin is dry, put it back inside the machine. Do not forget to reset the waste bin counter. To reset the waste bin count, you can confirm that you've reset the waste bin. If you forgot to answer yes to the question, you can do it manually. Go to the geared icon, menu, daily action, empty solid waste, and reset the waste bin count. Get out of the service mode, and you're done. On a weekly basis, inspect all the whipper bowls, canisters, and hoppers. If you find any obstructions, parts that might be broken or not working properly, contact your service provider.